Well, hopefully you've tried 5.1, number 5, on your own. When they talk about fundamental identities, that's talking about that box that we should be memorizing. We're not going to do the checking on our graphing utility to see if it's correct. What they mean is type one of them into Y1, one of them into Y2, the original here, and your answer, and make sure that the table matches up, but we're not going to do that. If you go back and look at things to memorize, remember that 1 plus tangent squared is equal to secant squared. So what I have is a cosine of x, and then I'm going to switch 1 plus tangent squared to be secant squared of x. And then when you're looking at this, hopefully you notice that cosine of x and secant squared can be written 1 over secant is 1 over cosine, so if it's secant squared, it's cosine squared, or 1 over cosine squared. So remember, when we do this, we're not crossing off both of them there, so there's still a cosine on the bottom, and I still have 1 over cosine of x, which is a secant of x at the end.